Hi and welcome to Happy Sewing. In this video we are making this warm balaclava, perfect for a cold winter. Before we start, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. Make sure to check out my Patreon. I just started it and I'm working so hard to fill it with useful sew related stuff, including the pattern I'm using in this video. All of the patterns I use will be available on Patreon very soon. You can find the link in the description. Let's start with the tools I'm using. Scissors, rotary cutter, glue pen, clips, pins, and the fabric. I use merino wool and soft shell as a windstopper. This balaclava will keep you warm. It's made to isolate and protect you from the cold winter weather. I use wool in my balaclava. Wool has many good qualities and it will be able to keep you warm even if it gets wet. Wool is also a breathing fabric. That's why I decided to add windstopper over the ears. I start by cutting the main fabric. This is going to be the outside layer. I need 2 side pieces and 1 middle piece. I lay the fabric double on the side panels. I cut a little extra so that the lining fits perfectly. After I cut out the outer fabric, I cut out the lining. That should be the inner fabric. We use the same patterns for the inner fabric. We also need a piece of rib for the face opening. I cut out 2 windstoppers. I measured the windstoppers to fit the side panels. That's it, all the pieces are ready. We are sewing the windstoppers like this. It has to cover the ears. I pinned them to the wrong side of the fabric. Fold the rib like this and sew it. Sew all the way around the windstoppers. This is what they should look like. Time to prepare the sides of the lining. Attach the side pieces to the middle piece. It starts at the front of the head and all the way down. I recommend using glue. Sew the sides. Do exactly the same with the outer fabric as you did on the lining. Attach the side pieces to the middle piece. It starts at the front of the head and all the way down. And again, I do recommend using glue. These seams can be uncomfortable. Time to fix them. Make sure that the overlock seam doesn't flip while sewing. The seams that has been overlocked are now sewn down with my Baby Lock cover stitch machine. You can also use a regular sewing machine. We are going to sew the bottom front part of the balaclava. Attach clips and make sure that we get a nice round face opening. We are doing this on the inner and outer fabric. Fold the rib like this. Use clips to attach the rib to the face opening. Make sure that the earlier rib seam hit the seam we just made. Use glue if necessary. Place the outer piece inside the inner piece. Attach all 4 layers in the face opening. Sew around the opening. Make sure to get all the layers through the sewing foot. Attach the seam you just sewed. If you have any loose threads inside, fasten them as well. Turn the lining through the face opening. Then we align the 2 layers and fasten them with clips. Then I sew it. I start sewing at the back. I want to hide the seam ending. I also have to be gentle with the fabric. No stretching or pulling. Fasten the last thread to finish the balaclava. We just made this amazing balaclava. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And remember to check out my Patreon page. Thanks for watching!